Hey, my name's Ara.
Hey, I'm the cameraman.
On April 30th, 2019, in downtown Davenport, the HESCO barriers broke.
There are many people affected by this flood around the QC area, even viewers watching this video.
But we know you can push through this hardship.
Start.
Giving up is worse than adopting a pet rock.
Don't show my pets, everyone!
Let's not get off topic, okay?
You don't want to end up like Noah.
Wait, what?
So keep going and don't give up.
Giving up is the silliest thing I've ever heard.
That was a horrible one.